Hi, welcome to Renew Counselling. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and because you have subscribed to this channel, I think you're able to relate to the information that I'm giving here and also able to connect it with your life, and you want to know more about it, right? I'll ask you one question. What is the organ in our body which is highly important but highly neglected? We take care of our heart, lungs, liver, intestines, bones, and everything. But there is one organ that we are neglecting. Pause the video and think about it. I think most of us got it right. Yes, the answer is the brain, the powerhouse of the body, right? And my focus is, or my subject matter is not brain, but what comes out of it, the mind, the thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. That's what I'm interested in. That's what I want to create awareness about. I'll tell you basic definitions and differences of brain and mind. If you think about brain, we'll say that it's an organ in the body, but mind is technically is not an organ. If we think brain as hardware, mind will be the software. We cannot touch the mind. We can't see the mind. We can see the brain. We can see how heavy it is or what parts it has. Whereas mind is invisible. We can't see it and we can't touch it. The brain has neurons, cells, blood, and flesh in it. But mind works on emotions, thoughts, feelings, behaviors, and attitudes. I guess most of us here have good information about how to take care of our heart, lungs, liver, intestines, bones, and all this. But do we know about our brains or minds? Do we know how to take care of our mind? Isn't it automatic, or is it something that is in our hands? Can we renew our minds? Can we restructure our minds? Renewing or restructuring of mind is nothing but rethinking about our emotions, feelings, thought patterns, and behaviors and attitudes. These are the things that affect our mind, which in turn affects the brain. It also affects the physical health. Can we renew our minds? Can we build our minds? Can we break our minds? Is it in our hands? Can we really do that? Can I live like how I think in my mind? Can I choose how to react in a particular situation? The fascinating truth is, yes, we can renew, restructure the way we think, we feel, and we behave. It's in our hands. You are what your mind is. There's a proverb which says, as he thinks, so he is. So what are you thinking in your minds? What are your thinking patterns? What are you feeling when you are looking at a person or going through a particular situation? What do you feel? How do you feel? Do you think it's automatic? Do you think I'm reacting automatically? Do you think I can't control my emotions or I can't control how I think? That's a lie. So let me tell you the truth. It's highly important for us to know that we can control our emotions, thoughts, behavior, and attitudes. It's in our hands. If you want to renew your minds, it's in your hands. You are the owner of your life. Please take charge of it. So, as a counselor, my work is to work on your feelings, thoughts, behaviors, and thinking patterns. If you focus on your mental health, you will have a ripple effect in your family or in the workplace or any neighborhood that you are living in. If you have a good mental health as a mother or a father, it will reflect in your parenting, and your kid will grow and he'll have good mental health because of the way he is raised, and he'll be successful in life and be confident. If you have good mental health in your workplace, it will have ripple effect in the way that you talk and you behave with your colleagues. Hope we'll all reflect on being very mindful about the thoughts and emotions and behaviors. And my subject matter is only to focus on this and to let us know how we can restructure or renew our thought patterns. While I end this video, I'll just leave you with this thought. I have one of the superfoods here. This is walnut. If you see this dry nut, you should remember the organ that we are talking about, the brain. The survey or the research says that walnuts are good for brains. There are many such foods which directly impact the organ and look like the organ. Do you know any of them? If you know, please leave your answer in the comment section. Take care of your mental health.